I have come across several traders in my career. A lot of them have never seen the good days of this business. By the way, the business in subject is the forex trading business. Some are about to actually give up. They have tried and they are now tired. It's actually a sad story for most of the traders out there. So trading is difficult and no one should tell you otherwise. Looking for entries is the first strenuous job. Probably you are working a 9 to 5. You need to actually be in front of the screens, actually looking for entries. Probably most of the times you miss them. Maybe you don't have the consistency to look and stick on one setup or a series of setups. But the bottom line is nothing is materializing out of this business. You really love trading, but nothing is coming out of it. So, I have developed a tool that may help you. As I've said, and I'll highlight, may help you. I don't promise you heaven on earth, but it surely works. From backtesting, live trading, it surely works. I call it the Portal FX Indicator, a simple tool that scans the market 24/7 and sends you potential entries for your validation directly to your phone. It's a simple text to your phone directly from your MT4 with buy or sell on any particular asset. You validate it and enter. But whilst we are still here, there are several scammers out there who are actually coming with something they would call a Portal FX indicator. Please do not fall for them. Use the only two that I'll provide directly from the description of this video. We all know that no indicator can take over human judgment in the market. Otherwise, we could have programmed robots that made millions whilst we are asleep. But this indicator comes with an academy, 60 minutes in 4 lectures long that will teach you how these two signs in the market maker cycle, trade validation, how do you actually validate whenever you receive a signal to buy or sell any particular asset, proper stop loss placement, and target placement. All these being synchronized in intraday cycles. We know that the market is actually governed by the market maker cycles, the intraday cycles, the weekly cycles, and so forth. So how do you actually synchronize this particular indicator within those cycles? It's actually explained in detail in the 4 lectures that comes, and with a total of 60 minutes to actually teach you and nurture you how to trade properly with this particular indicator. So let's see it on the charts. How does it look and how does it work? So this is USD JPY M15 time frame, and as you can see, it's actually from bunnexinvestment.co, which is our official website. There is this signal. This signal, whenever it is fired, it is actually sent directly to your phone, right? So this sell signal was actually a valid signal using our principles of signal validation. So the first step is to receive the signal directly to your phone, have 1 minute to validate the signal and take it without fear. The academy will actually let you know when to exit that particular trade whenever you get it. So let's go over the trades as they were coming. This was a sell signal that was fired on the MT4. Unfortunately, this one was invalid. It was an invalid signal, therefore we were not going to take it. It was a skip. Another buy was actually fired at this point. This was now a valid signal. Why? Because it's actually meeting the criteria of our entry as explained in the Portal FX Academy. You can see that the market actually went a very long period to the upside from that buy signal, but it is up to us to know when to exit. In this case, we had a sell signal that was fired. This sell signal, as all others, was sent directly to our phone, and using our criteria of validation, it was a valid signal which actually played out. we had a buy signal, and from the cycle exhaustion validation, it was not valid. We had to skip this buy because it was not with meeting our criteria of entry. In this case, we had this sell signal. It was a valid signal because it actually met the criteria of entry from our Portal FX Academy. So whenever you purchase the Portal FX indicator, you are actually added to the Portal FX Academy, where you need to actually watch 4 lectures, understand them, and then come back to the charts with enough knowledge. From previous experience and over a series of trades, this indicator is actually holding over 80% in accuracy rates. So if you want to learn more about the Portal FX indicator, please use the link that is in the description box below. Do not fall for people that will come and sell you probably the indicator file that looks like the Portal FX indicator or an indicator file of this nature without learning first. If you have that file without learning first, you are probably applying yourself for losses. This was a sale that was sent directly to our phone, and it was a valid signal. Another valid signal. So that is how this indicator works. It's only 4 steps. The first step is to receive the signal directly to your phone. After receiving that signal directly to your phone, you need to validate it, and by validating it, there are actually principles that needs to be done first. So this will actually increase your win rate and actually simplify your trading, as the subject of this video. On that note, we come to the end of this video. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe, and don't hesitate to actually check this on our website using the link that I'll leave in the description box below.